Hello and welcome to my Scratch mini guide series. This is number 5, and today I want to talk to you about something very simple, which is just adding our own sprites, or any sprites. So if we jump into this here, oh no, there we go. If you have a look down the bottom here, oh, I'm kind of over it. Woo. Okay, if you look just here, there is a button, okay, that we can press, and that will bring up new sprites. So if I haven't thought this video through. If I click on this little button here, there, okay, it will give me a, oh, click too many times. If I hover over it, it will give me a list of options, okay? And the one I'm interested in is just clicking on it. If I just click right on this bottom one, that will take me to the Sprites Library, and I can add any sprite I like. I can filter them by different categories, which is really helpful, and I can kind of have a look through them and see which one I fancy. So I might go for something like a dog. Let's go for dog 1. And if I have a look into dog, he actually comes with his own costumes as well. So we've got dog 1A and dog 1B. So if you're thinking of animating him, it's already built in. Now, I would recommend having a little look through the different Sprites library. So there, click on that. There are loads and loads of sprites. So whatever you're doing, you should be able to find a sprite to match your project. And if not, if that fails, then what you can do is, if we go back down here and hover over here, up the top here, you can add your own sprite, upload sprite. Okay, so we can upload a sprite, and you can actually create your own graphics and upload them to Scratch, which is really helpful and really exciting. Surprise will just give you a random one. Okay, so if you want to just make a game with some random sprites, and you can just hit surprise and get some interesting things happening. And you can also paint your own as well. So if I hit paint, I can draw different shapes, and I'm not going to go into kind of how you do this, but I can draw lines, I can draw circles, I can draw squares, and I can have the brush tool, and I can make things look nice. Some people can be very, very, very creative with this. I am not one of those people, but I've seen some amazing artwork inside Scratch, which is really cool to see. So these are the different things that you can do. You don't have to just stick with the cat. You can do loads more inside and outside of Scratch. And that is going to do it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Sweet!